Okay guys, we got an audience. Didn't even have the camera turned on. It's pretty cool. This is a huge market on the side of the road. This building up here is a morning market. This is the evening overflow. Lots of stuff here. Lots of cool stuff. It's mostly produce and fish, some meat. A little bit of cooked food, not much. Look at the size of these snakehead. These are the giant snakehead. Those are beautiful, beautiful fish. These are the normal ones that we get here. But these are so colorful, unreal. Unreal. Hello? Canada. Too cold, yeah? Canada too cold. Found some plums. Seem really good. I got a bag full already. Hopefully they're good. Don't see that in the market very often, that's for sure. Check this out. A tray of pig's ears. Already steamed. Looks like a huge market in here. Giant place. But it must be only morning. Very few places open in there right now. I've seen this guy here before. He makes candies. So you just look at him. He's an artist, let me tell you. Takes some more time. Look at those different colors. Show you once it's got. Oh, he's making one looks like this. The heart. Look at this. A horse. It's done. This one's a cowboy monkey catching the fish. Oh, that one is as well. Different color. This is the one I think is the coolest. Yeah. Grasshopper. That's too cool, man. This guy is unbelievable. I've seen him in a different market. That's his setup. One little box and a chair. Wow, that just turned into a horse. Unbelievable. That is so cool. That is amazing, dude. How
20.
20 baht.
Yeah.
Bought the grasshopper. 20 baht. That's about 65 cents. Handmade candy in the market. Something different. I don't really want to eat it. It's too pretty. Unbelievable. Grandma's been following me for a while. Okay guys, there it is. Got me a bag of plums. They look really good. I want to get them clean before I eat them. And I got me a grasshopper. Which is something I've never seen before. Handmade candies.
Hello.
Hello.
Moving.
Moving, okay.
Yes.
Moving.
Awesome place, awesome people.